In the WordPress dashboard, go to Posts, and then All Posts. Filter the categories to get to the post you want. This is the tax rebate blog we're going to filter to. I'm just going to look for one that needs a bit of editing. So click on Edit. And now click on Use Divi Builder, or use the Divi Builder. And then Edit with the Divi Builder. In this case, it will load up about a couple of options for you. So click on Clone Existing Page. Sometimes it asks you to do it twice for some reason. I'm going to clone an existing post that has the elements I need. So I'm going to go down to the cog to be able to change the formatting in the excerpt here, because you can see it's in italics. So click on the cog. It says Page Settings. Get rid of the HTML, the paragraph and the emphasis tags. The excerpt is way too long, so I'm going to remove all of that. I'm just going to cut that. That's meant to be cut. And then tick. Fine. You won't see any updates until you save the page. So I'm going to scroll down, and this is the part of the page where I've closed already. So just going to move that above the current content for this page. And then I'm going to click on the grey settings, select all that and get rid of it, and paste in the part of the excerpt that I just copied. Click on the green tick mark. And now I'm just going to remove the text that I imported from the cloned page, so I can get rid of the whole section, which is the blue area. That's it. All it needs to do now is click on Save. And if you exit the Divi Builder, it's blurred out but it says Exit Divi Builder, you'll see the result. So that's how you use Divi and clone an existing page to get the same formatting.